Today we're going to be talking about XLOOKUP function. For those who don't know what is it, it's basically analogy of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So this is like their next generation. So what is it VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? So for example, what basically this function do? This function check one range arrow looking for some type of value and compare it with a different range, whether this value exists there or not. So for example, I have customers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I from basically our previous lesson, and I have some products, product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for example, I try to figure out, does my customer A or B were buying this product, for example, product 1, or no? And how could I check this? This is very easy. Let's work with XLOOKUP function. So for example, I click here, I try to figure out, does my customer were buying product 1? So I click equal XLOOKUP, and then I have to choose a lookup value. And so this is a value which we're gonna be basically looking for. Let's click here. So basically B15. Okay, common. Then we have to choose lookup array. So where we're gonna be looking this value? We're gonna be looking this value here. Yeah. Okay. Common. And then we have to put a return array. So we have to find area where we're gonna be looking for our return array, our return value. So this is gonna be here. We're looking for product 1, so let's choose product 1. Okay, so basically it's okay, common. If not found, so if there's gonna be no information, what could we put? For example, let's put 0. That's gonna be mean like 0 buying. So, and basically we already could put enter, press enter, or close our formula, but we are able to add match mode. That's basically how could we match our information. Zeros mean exact match. -1, it's exact match on next smaller item. 1, it is exact match on next larger item. And 2, it's basically wildcard character match. So we need exact match. Common. And search mode. Search mode able to do from first to last. For example, it's going to be looking for like this. Search last, do first, for example, like this. Or binary search. Binary search sorted ascending order, or binary search sorted by descending order. So this is basically important. So for example, why? Let's check. I will show you why. So for example, first of all, let's do regular thing, and then I will explain you. So let's put customer A. Okay, we see customer A were buying product on a $23, product 1. If we put here customer B, we have a 0. So customer B were buying like 0. 0 amount of product 1. But what happens if we have a 2 customer A? So we have one customer A which will buy product 23, and customer A which will buy product 1 on a $7. So we have 7. But if we want to change our formula and put, for example, search last to first, check what we will be have. So first have found it value gonna be 7, because our Excel starts to search from last to first. So this is a very interesting thing, and you could use it. I think this is very great, but let's come back to our position. So, but this is not everything. So here we have our product 1, yeah? So let's just little edit this formula. So here we have our lookup value. Let's make it constant. Let's do a constant link by adding these symbols. And let's do constant link by our lookup area. And let's do constant our lookup area. Click enter, and then let's just copy our formula. So, and as you see, we have information about customer A. how much products, how many products this customer will bought in our product 1, product 2, product 3, and etc. So for example, let's change and do customer B. As you see, we have a absolutely new information, C, D. This is a very easy. Okay, but this is not everything. And let's check what else could we do with this formula. So we could do horizontal lookup. So we had a formula HLOOKUP, but right now we don't need it. For example, let's put this is lookup value. Then we have to choose lookup array. So we're going to be look our value here, and then return away. For example, we want to understand total 1. Okay, we have a total 220 or product 5. Okay, also here you could change your array. For example, we could do like this. Yeah, and we could add, for example, here gonna be our customer number B. Also, as you see, we could go copy this formula down, but in this case, don't forget that all our formula gonna be changing, so everything goes down. But if we want, what could we do? We could make this constant, and we could make this constant. And then we could just go down, 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 down. In this case, our lookup area the same, but our return area goes down. So basically you could go up, go left, right, and etc. So it's gonna be the same. This is a very interesting formula and you could use it. But let's talk about next very interesting thing. As previous, you know that we could do a multiply range. Let's do it again. When you work with your XLOOKUP formula, and basically you are able to use it with VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, you could start to write formula differently. So, and what now could we do? Let's just put equal XLOOKUP. We will add lookup value, then lookup array. And right now you're able to use all name range. For example, product 1. As you see, we have our range O, product 2, product 3. This is a very easy if you have a huge amount of data. For example, I never use this, but it's good when you know that you're able to use it. So we have to little prolongate this. Okay. We had a mistake because of the situation. So as you see, this is very important to show you that if this is range not equal this is range, you will have a mistake. So you could fix it easily by just changing your range. Okay. So as we see, customer C wasn't by product 1. Okay, this was very interesting, and I really like this type of formulas. For me, this is my favorite formulas. So here, let's make it, for example, this color, and you will remember that this formula is different. We use here name range. Those are regular formula, and here we have this HLOOKUP analogy. So I believe you will like it. So thank you so much, and see you on the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes, and also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much, and see you.